cut this out several months ago, but my plan for this was just to make a board for like doing dough and stuff on in the kitchen. Just need to get it glued together. I don't know how I managed to get that far off, but yeah, well, we'll fix it one way or another. It's snowing. Well, they're all out here. They was up in the woods till they seen me coming. I was come up here to see what they was doing. We're still waiting on one of them to have a calf, we're pretty sure. So I just wanted to check and make sure that wasn't going on. But they still got hay and water and all that, so I'm going to leave them alone for right now. Hell, this is about 2 hours later. It's still coming down. So I got distracted and started messing with other stuff. I have this is a bone saw, and I tore it all apart and I painted the frame of it. I'm just going to clean all this up, and it was all rusty and I hadn't cleaned it since the last time I used it. I think I screwed this up because I got such a big lip there. What I should have done was glue this up in 2 separate pieces and then glue it together. So I'm going to cut it down the middle and then run it through the planer, and then I can glue it back together. Just need to try and scrape some of this glue off. two boards planed and glued back together. Scrape this glue off. Now I'm going to take it to the table and clean my sides up. Still needs a lot of work, a lot of sanding. Do something with the edges so they're not so sharp. So I took a pencil and I scribed some lines across here. And I'm just going to use this hand plane and just keep scraping it down. And it should show me where the high and low spots are. I don't know if you can see it, but I have some pencil marks in the middle. So the middle's lower than the outside. It's not too bad though. And I put these pegs in so I can push the peg up where I want it. And then tighten the vise down, pull this piece up, and that'll hold it. And here again you can see the spots it's not hitting and the spots it's hitting. And just keep working on it. Still not hitting here, 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 a couple spots right here. So I guess the pencil marks are basically just going to give me an idea of when to stop. So I'm trying to work in an X pattern. Don't know that I've been doing that the whole time, but this is what I've been trying to do. So I just run the bottom side of this through the router table, and I wanted to leave this lip here. So this is the bottom side. So when this thing is sitting on something, it'll be easy to get a hold of and pick it up like this. So it'll be easy to get your fingers under it and pick it up. I think what I might do is find some kind of rubber mat and glue to the bottom side of this, and that'll keep it from sliding around. But I just gotta sand these edges up now and then finish off the top side, and it'll be done. Alright, let's get this bone saw put back together. I've painted my frame, I've painted all my hardware. This handle, I've done some light sanding on this handle, and then just put 2 coats of tung oil on it. I wanted to keep the rustic look patina of it, so it looks pretty good. I'm going to put it back on first. It's got 3 screws that holds it on. I should have took a video of this before I took it apart, but I didn't. On the end of it, each end there's just these little pins that goes in. And just one end of the pin is mushroomed over. What holds them in there is the tension when we tighten it up with this nut. This wing nut that goes on here tightens the blade. And there it is, all back together. Looks pretty good. Let's go outside for a snow update. So I think it was right before 1 o'clock in the afternoon when I come out and noticed it was snowing, and it's 9:30 now, and we got a good 5 inches of snow. Well, that's going to be it for this video. See y'all in the next one.